Are you ready to master Craft CMS and build incredible web experiences? Hey there, I'm Ryan Ireland, creator of CraftQuest. We've designed a platform to help you unlock your full potential with craft, whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro. Your learning journey starts with quests. These aren't just tutorials, they're guided learning paths designed to get you to your goals faster. Go from building your first project to launching it to developing custom plugins, all at your own pace. Dive into our extensive library of courses where you'll learn by doing. Need a quick answer? Our focused lessons provide immediate solutions. Join our live community events like the popular CraftQuest on Call live stream happening twice each month. Easily track your progress and discover your next challenge right from your personal dashboard. Thousands of developers and companies trust CraftQuest to elevate their skills. But see for yourself. Start your free trial today and discover what you can create. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you on CraftQuest.